At Aeon Lux Properties, we honor dedication, excellence, and the drive that moves our company forward. Today, we celebrate an individual whose passion and commitment have brought to a new height. First on the road to greatness, an achiever who turned challenges into victories. Congratulations, Mr. Maverick Prince Romero from Romero Realty, a testament to dedication, passion, and commitment to the Aeon Lux vision. For performance beyond expectations, Aeon Lux awards a brand new Toyota Vios. Success is different when you earn it.
I am so thankful with Aeon Lux Properties for their generosity, because out of all developers that I am accredited with, it's the Aeon Lux Properties is the only developer that offers this generous incentive towards all the sellers and brokers accredited in their in the developer. You know, imagine you just sell one unit of Aeon Tower and you can already receive a car incentive. So, sino pa bang developer ang nagbibigay ng ganyan kabuti na incentive? It's only the Aeon Lux Properties. To all the brokers and sellers, especially those brokers and sellers who have not yet accredited with Aeon Lux Properties, now is the right time for you to accredit here in this generous developer. To all the brokers and sellers, it's one of the biggest blessing that I have received from Aeon Lux Properties, especially today in December. My Christmas is very merry because of Aeon Lux Properties in car incentive. Merry Christmas to all of you, and I wish you all more success in life and more incentives to achieve here with us at Aeon Lux Properties.